Do you want to see a $200 EarnApp payment proof and learn more about how you can earn passively from it and also by playing games and if it's even worth it? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have tested this app before and also talked about it previously, but there's been some big changes, so therefore I decided to record this updated EarnApp review. I'll give you an inside look, show you how to withdraw, show you payment proof, show the pros and the cons, so then you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join, and EarnApp is available in basically all countries as far as I have been able to find out, and it's available both on a computer. You can use it on a computer both to earn passively and also by playing games, and you can also download it on your phone, and you will even get a $2 joining bonus. That is one of the things that changed. There was not a joining bonus when I first joined it quite a long time ago, but there are also other big changes. So I will now log in and then we'll talk more about, first of all, how you can earn passively, how you can earn by playing games, and then of course also show you how you can get paid and show you payment proof and talk about the overall earning potential so you can find out if you should use it or not. So I have logged in, and inside EarnApp they have this passive income opportunity, and this is what it used to offer, just this way of earning. So that is kind of how it has been since it was launched. It has now then introduced other options, but what it will do is basically that you just install it on one of your devices. You can see you can both use it on computers and on phones, and then you will earn in the background. So you don't need to do anything else than just having it installed, and then it will run in the background and share your unused internet bandwidth. And you can see they say that they are whitelisted by these major antivirus search engines there, and basically you just download it and then install it and then run it, and then you'll earn passively. Just be aware that the income you will get from this is not something that will make you rich, of course, earning passively like this. And also how much you can earn, you can see it will depend very much on your location. In my experience, earning passively from platforms like this, that very much depends on your location, because the internet bandwidth, this is often used for like market research and for testing from different locations, and there's just more need from certain locations than in others. And then of course also how many devices do you have it on, how fast is your internet. So that is something to be aware of. Also they talk more about safety. This is something you should definitely be concerned about, so I also recommend that you go over that, read more about exactly what they do, what the data is used for, so you feel comfortable before installing it. I would say overall it's definitely an easy way to earn passively, and that's mainly what I've used it for, because the other options is fairly new what it has started introducing there. But there are other passive income apps that let you earn the same way, that does pay you more. Let me just reveal that right away, even though we go more into the earning potential a little bit later. So I'll also leave a link below to a list I have of the top paying passive income apps. But let's first also talk about other ways you can earn inside EarnApp. EarnApp now also has an offer section, and if you have used other get paid to sites, this will look very familiar. This is basically just games you can download. You need to live up to certain requirements to then get paid. So some of them pay quite well, but then you also need to be aware that usually to reach this amount it would require some investment and definitely a lot of time. I would say it's of course always nice when a platform introduces more earning opportunities, but this is something that many other get paid to site offers already. So I would say, like, yeah, it can be fine to do it, but I just prefer to use some of my top recommended get paid to sites for this. Instead, I also do have a list of the best platforms where you can earn by playing games. In my experience, I will also leave a link to that below, but it's still nice that they have tried to give you more opportunities as a member for sure. So it can still be worth checking out if you decide this is for you, and if you're already using it, then now you know that they actually have this opportunity, because this is quite new as of recording this video anyways. But let's now talk about how you can get paid. I will show you payment proof also, and then we'll talk about the overall earning potential. I have now jumped to the cash out section, and you can see the payout options here. They also have an auto redeem, so that means that when you reach a certain payout threshold, you can set it to just automatically pay out. That's something I've not seen on many sites, so I do like that option. And as you can see, I have more than $200 in my balance currently, and we'll talk more about the overall earning potential, because you might now think that, oh wow, that is a super fast way to earn, but I'll talk more about that later. It has taken a long time, but for now I'll just focus on here getting paid. I like that you can get paid via PayPal. You can also use Wise to get paid, for example, into a bank. Personally, I have stopped using Wise. I have had terrible experiences with their support where they closed my account and I could not talk to them and they didn't have a good reason or anything like that. So I'm staying away from anything to do with Wise now. I'm not saying that you might not benefit from it. I'm just saying be aware that if you run into trouble, they have terrible support in my experience. But anyways, you can also choose luckily other methods, for example, Amazon gift cards and PayPal. So for the purpose of this video, I will definitely choose PayPal here. And you can see it will just pay out the full amount there. There is a withdrawal fee, so be aware of that. This is the estimated amount. So I'll just need to then write my PayPal email address here. And of course, for privacy reasons, I will blur that out. And then all I need to do is to click to withdraw. And you can see it has now been successfully created, this redemption there. So now all I need to do is just to wait to the money to go into my PayPal account, and I will leave a screenshot here also of the email I get from PayPal. I will also there write how long it took to get the earnings there. And let's now then talk about the overall earning potential. So I know that many people will now ask me, how long did it take you to earn those $200? And let me just reveal that has taken a long time. I have not withdrawn from EarnApp for a long time, and I've just used it to earn passively. I have talked about it before, so I also have quite a few referrals. So when they earn, I also earn a commission from that, and I have just not withdrawn for I don't even know how long. I don't even remember last time I withdrew. So it has taken a long time. And if you just rely on the passive earnings, it will take, a very long time. Of course, again, depending on your devices, your location and all that, but it's not something you can make fast money from, the passive earning. Now you can earn faster because they also have these paid offers. So that can definitely boost your earnings, but you do need to be aware it is for some side income. The passive income there, it will not be a lot. In some countries, maybe a few dollars a month. In countries, if you have many devices, fast internet, there's a lot of demand for traffic there. Maybe you can earn $20 to $40 in a month or so passively there from the games. That of course depends entirely on how much effort you put in, but overall I would say it's a decent way to earn, both by playing games and passively, but definitely not one of the top paying ones. But if you want to join, I do have a full written tutorial of it on my website. Also, if you just like reading, at the top there you can find a joining link and easily get started and also get your joining bonus and all that. I'll leave a link to that below. But if you also want to see, for example, my top recommended alternative, top recommended passive income apps, and also my top recommended platforms to earn by playing, I also have a list of that on my website. I'll leave links to that below so you can also check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.